The best function to calculate age in Excel is DATEDIF. Before using it, make sure your data is formatted correctly. The cells that contain dates, such as dates of birth, must be set to date format, and the cells that will display the age should be set to number. This ensures Excel calculates and displays the age properly. Select the cell where you want the age to appear, type the equal sign, then type DATEDIF. This function needs 3 values to work correctly. The first value is the date of birth, so click the cell that contains the birth date and add a comma. Next, Excel needs the end date for the calculation. To always use the current date, type today and add the opening and closing brackets. Using the today function keeps the age updated automatically, so it changes as time passes without any manual edits. If you ever need to calculate age based on a different date, you can store that date in another cell and reference it in the formula, but for this example, we'll use today. Add another comma, then type Y in quotation marks. This tells Excel to return the number of completed years between the date of birth and today. Once that's done, close the brackets and press Enter. Excel will instantly display the correct age. To calculate age for the remaining rows, simply copy the formula by dragging down the corner of the cell. Excel will adjust the formula automatically and calculate the age for each row. That's it. You now have a simple and accurate way to calculate age in Excel using the DATEDIF and today functions.